Hello everyone, this is Akshata from Akshata's Recipes. Welcome back my regular viewers and subscribers, and for those of you who are coming here for the first time, welcome to my channel. Today, as I have promised you all, I'm going to show you all the traditional way of making the delicacy which maybe many of you all are aware of and many of you will be seeing it for the first time. It's called Nivagrya. So, I'm not going to waste much of your time. Let's just jump straight ahead into the recipe.
So friends, we're going to take again about 100 grams of rice flour or modak flour. Take some water, about half a liter of water. We're going to warm the water till boiling point, and we're going to add a pinch of salt and some oil, about half a tablespoon of oil and half a teaspoon of salt to the water. Basically the process is the same of how you make modak, the dough for the modak. Actually the Nivagryas are made from the leftover dough of the modak. So when this water starts to boil, we are going to add the rice flour or the modak flour to this water. Now the water has come to a boil, so we are going to add this flour to the water and give it a good mix till everything comes together. And all the water is absorbed by the flour. You can watch my video on how to make modak the traditional way. I will leave a link below this video. And now once our flour is well mixed, we're going to turn the gas flame off and cover it and keep the dough for some time, for about 5 to 10 minutes, so that it all comes together. Then we're going to take how much ever of the dough we require to make the Nivagrya, and taking some oil and water, we are going to mix this well to make it into a very smooth consistency. So we have to massage in the oil and the water, not too much of water. Now friends, we have to make a paste. I've used about 1 tablespoon of jeera, about 7 to 8 peppercorns, and I'm going to throw in some green chillies, about 4 to 5 depending on how spicy you would like the Nivagrya. And we're going to make a paste of these ingredients, a coarse paste like this. Now we're going to mix this paste and a little bit of salt according to taste into our flour. We're going to mix it up very, very well so everything gets well integrated. So massage in this paste well into the dough that we have prepared. Now friends, we have to shape the Nivagrya in this way. First you take a small ball, roll it, Then we're going to flatten it out between the palms of our hands, and then flatten it out from the edges in the same way like we made the modak, into a little cup shape or a little bit of a kind of a basket shape, flattening it out as you turn it around, and just fold it and put it onto your steamer plate. And once you are ready with all of them, then you can put your steamer on, and we are going to steam this for 15 to 20 minutes on a low to medium flame till they are well cooked. So I hope you liked this recipe. I hope you're going to try out this recipe. For those of you who are seeing it for the first time, these are simply delicious and they go very, very well with the sweet modaks. So I hope you give this recipe a try and give me your feedback on how you liked this new recipe that you've learned. And after 15 to 20 minutes, this is what they look like. Just simply delicious. So friends, I hope you enjoy this Ganpati festival with family and friends. I will see you in another video. Take care guys. Bye. Well friends, don't forget to give this video a big like. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button you see below this video. Do ring the bell icon so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know. Please share my recipes with family and friends. Do visit my channel for more than 215 videos. And thanks so much for watching. See you in another video. Take care.